Let's start with having our feet flat on the floor, taking a nice deep breath in through the nose and breathing out. Let's do that again. Nice deep breath in through the nose and breathing out. Last time, nice deep breath in and breathing out. Let's drop our ear down to our shoulder as we breathe in and breathe out as you come into a neutral position. Other side, inhale and exhale to neutral. Inhale again, other side, and exhale. We'll just go from side to side, trying to increase the stretch a little bit when we can. Making sure that the feet are shoulder width apart, dropping to the side. And exhale. Other side, inhale. And exhale to neutral. One more time, inhale to the side. And exhale. And last time, inhale. And exhale. This time just turning so you're looking over your shoulder as you inhale and exhale, coming forward. Inhale, other side. And exhale, coming forward. Let's do that again. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, other shoulder. And exhale. This time looking up as you inhale and exhale as you look down at your lap. Again, looking up as you inhale and exhale as you look down at your lap and hold. Looking in front again. Let's just rotate the wrists and switch the direction. And hands on your knees. Let's bring the shoulders back. So this time just having your thumbs to the back wall as you bring those shoulders back as far as you can. Hands back on the knees. And again, bring those shoulders back as much as you can. And hands back in front. One more time, hands going back, stretching a little bit more this time. And hands back on your knees. Let's bring the hands in front, just reaching one arm back, following with the gaze of your eyes on with the hand, and hand in front, switching to the other side. And coming back in front. Inhale as you bring that hand back. And exhale as the hand comes forward. Inhale, reaching as far back as you can. And exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale as the hand comes forward. Other side, inhale. And exhale. Bring the hands down to your knees. Let's round the back. Trying to stretch out the back, and then chest is proud, looking up to the ceiling. Rounding the back again, straightening out the arms here. And exhale as you look up to the ceiling, chest is out. Rounding the back again, inhaling. And exhaling as you look up to the ceiling. Take a nice deep breath in and exhale. Let's have one hand on the chair, other arm is going up and reaching to the side, stretching out the side here. And bring that hand down, switching to the other side. And bringing that hand back down, reaching again. And hand comes back down, reaching to the other side. and hand comes back down. Let's have one hand on the outside of the knee, and you're just stretching back, feeling the stretch throughout your back. And coming forward, hand to the outside of the knee and twisting back other direction. And coming back in front. Nice deep breath in as you bring both arms overhead. And then fold forward, having your hands come down to your ankles. Coming up, nice deep breath in. And exhale as you bring a knee in. So you can have your hands under your knee or over your knee, whatever is more comfortable. Breathing in, arms are up. Exhale as you bring the other knee in. Bring the hands up again, inhale. And exhale as you fold forward, hands down by the ankles. Feeling that stretch as you're coming down. Bring the hands back up again, inhale. And exhale as you bring that knee in. Inhale as you bring the hands overhead. And exhale as you pull that knee in. Inhale, arms going above, and folding down, hands toward the ankles. Coming up, deep breath in. And exhale as you pull in the knee. Inhale, hands going up. And exhale, bringing the other knee in. Inhale, arms going up. And fold forward, exhale. Inhale, arms going up overhead. And exhale, bringing the knee in. Inhale, arms going above. And exhale, knee coming in. Inhale, arms going up. And fold forward, exhale. Inhale, arms going overhead. And exhaling, knee coming in. Rotating the ankle now. And the other direction. Bringing that knee down, bringing the other knee up, and rotating the ankle. And changing the direction. And bring that foot back down to the floor. Going into a figure 4 stretch, having the ankle up onto the knee and folding forward to wherever you're comfortable. At any point, if you want to intensify the stretch, you can just lean forward more, trying to keep your back flat. And coming out of that stretch, bringing that foot back down to the floor and switching to the other side. Trying to make sure that the foot that is on the floor is underneath the knee. Having the leg in a 90-degree angle. And coming out of that stretch, having the hands in front, just pulling the hands back as far as you can to really open up the chest, and the arms come back in front. Again, inhale, hands going back. And exhale, hands coming forward. Again, hands going back, thumbs to the back wall. And hands come forward again. Bringing the hands to the knees, take a nice deep breath in here. And exhale. Bring the arms overhead, reaching back as far as you can, and then allow the arms to come down. Again, bring them up, palms close together this time, and then let it all go. Arms going up, reaching back as far as you can, and bringing the hands down, breathing out. Inhale, and exhale, allow the arms to come down. Again, inhale, and exhale. We're going to bring one foot forward and then the other foot, and just leaning forward to feel that stretch through your hamstrings. If this is not comfortable, you can have one leg bent and then switch. Rolling yourself back up, head coming up last, and keeping one foot out and keeping the toes up or flexed. You should feel a good stretch in your calf. And let's switch to the other side. And coming out of that stretch, just going to bring the arms up, deep breath in, bringing the hands down in prayer pose, thinking of something that you're grateful for. Let's do that again. Inhale, arms going overhead. As you bring your hands into prayer pose, thinking of something that you're grateful for. Again, inhale. Hands coming down into prayer pose. Inhale, hands overhead. And hands coming down, exhaling. One more time, hands overhead. And arms coming down. Thank you for joining me today. I wish you a wonderful day.